Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coinbase Wallet for on-chain Ethereum transactions, complete guide step by step clearly. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're creating a new wallet, tap on Create a New Wallet. Read the terms and conditions, then agree to proceed. Next, you will be given a recovery phrase. Write down this recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Confirm the recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Now, you'll be taken to the main wallet interface. To activate your wallet for on-chain Ethereum transactions, you need to first add Ethereum. Tap on the Receive button to find your Ethereum address. Copy this address to receive Ethereum from another wallet or exchange. If you don't have Ethereum yet, you can buy it directly within the app. To do this, tap on Buy, then choose Ethereum from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. Once your Ethereum is added, you will be able to send and receive Ethereum on-chain. To send Ethereum, tap on the Send button on the main wallet screen. Enter the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send. Double-check all details to ensure they are correct before proceeding. Confirm the transaction by tapping Send and follow any additional prompts. Your transaction will then be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. You can track your transaction status within the app under the Transactions section. Finally, remember to keep your recovery phrase secure, as it is the key to accessing your wallet. Your Coinbase wallet is now activated and ready for on-chain Ethereum transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.